Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger, somewhere here, something maybe not like that. Like that. And here we've got the recents. So all we have to do is to close all of them. So just go to the very left and tap on clear all. Of course, if you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then it's better to just go quickly to the left and tap on clear all. Now we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.